In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover a LinkedIn account. If you've been locked out of your LinkedIn profile, don't worry. As long as you still have access to the email address connected to your account, the recovery process is usually very quick and straightforward. I'm going to walk you through exactly what to do so you can get back into your account without confusion. To begin, open your web browser and go to linkedin.com. Once the site loads, head to the login page. This is where you would normally enter your account details, but since you need to recover access, you'll want to select the Forgot Password option. This will take you to the account recovery screen. On that page, enter the email address linked to your LinkedIn account. Make sure you type it carefully so the recovery message goes to the correct inbox. After submitting your email address, LinkedIn will send you a verification code. This code is used to confirm that you are the owner of the account and that you have access to the registered email address. Now open your email inbox and look for the message from LinkedIn. If you don't see it right away, give it a moment to arrive and be sure to check your spam or junk folder just in case it was filtered there. Once you find the message, copy or note the verification code. Go back to LinkedIn and enter that verification code in the space provided. After the code is accepted, you'll be prompted to create a new password. Choose a password that is strong but also easy for you to remember. A good password typically includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Try to avoid using something too simple or reusing a password from another account, since that can make your account less secure. After entering your new password, confirm it if required, then submit the change. Once that's done, your password will be updated and you should be able to log back into your LinkedIn account using your email address and the new password you just created. And that's all there is to it. If you still have access to your email, recovering your LinkedIn account is a simple process that only takes a few minutes. Just go to LinkedIn, click Forgot Password, enter your email, verify the code and set a new password. After that, you'll be back in your account and ready to use LinkedIn again.